welcome back to my channel. Hope you all been having a wonderful weekend. And today I wanted to do a braids crochet style. I mean, it's not new to y'all, but it's just new to me because I never attempted that look. So I do want to attempt it, but I'm also doing this hairstyle because I hate braiding my hair. Like, it takes forever. It really takes forever. So, and plus I want to do, like I said, a half up down, half up down, half up, half down. What's wrong with me? Come on. A half up, half down crochet hairstyle. Braids crochet, I mean. So pretty much I've had this hair for a while, but I just haven't really thought to say, oh, let me do something. But then I was like, you know what? Let me try this look, because it's really cute. So I got the Jazz Water. I think. Lord have mercy. Yes, the Jazz Water. I got it at my local beauty supply store. It was like $4.99, and it's in the 12-inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna make sure I mention in the end of the video, because sometimes I notice that someone will say, "Oh, how many did you use?" So this is 5, but I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna reiterate it in the end of the video to let y'all know it's 5. But you can find this online. I believe at Sam's Beauty, all those other beauty supply online stores. You can find this here, or your local beauty supply store. So let's get started, shall we? Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. So I know might have to bring this down a bit. There we go. So as you can see, I have my top knot bun and pretty much the FREETRESS Jazz Water crocheted in. And hopefully you guys with that tutorial, you know, it helped you guys a little bit. I know there's like a whole bunch of videos, but you know, hopefully with me showing you guys how I did mine as well, twice actually. Hopefully it helped you guys a little bit. So let me just give you guys a little 360. So pretty much as you can see, I actually like this hair. This hair, it pretty much reminds me of the water curl. I'm pretty sure, so y'all saw in like my other video when I had that, it was the FREETRESS or maybe model. No, I lied. Model water curl. Like this one's the FREETRESS water Jazz Water. It almost reminds me of like a mix of bohemian curl and a water wave kind of blended together, but the size of the curls is what I really love. But I think this hair, it has that more kinkier side, which which is what I really like, because of the fact that it creates that volume, and I usually like a lot of hair. So I used 5 packs, like I showed you guys. 5 packs. I used all 5 of it. For a moment there, I thought I was running out, so low-key I could have just had 6, using like 5.5. But I mean, I made it work. So pretty much what I had to do is, you know, take it all down like I showed y'all, and kind of just added some braids to the side, in the sense, just to kind of give it a nice edge. Same way which I did with the other side. I added 3, basically like 6 on each side, and pretty much what I did was, to the best of my ability, use gel to just kind of gel up the middle. Pretty much, yeah. And this hair is 12 inches, which I really like, because I really didn't have to cut it if I feel like I needed to, but I like it where it stops. It just stops really right at my dégagé, or my collarbone, basically. Let me not be too fancy. But yeah, I hope you guys really do like it. And this is in the color 1B. You could definitely find this at your local beauty supply store, or you can go on all the popular hair beauty supply store, online beauty supply stores, which is like Sam Beauty, Elevate Styles, maybe. What else? Really, I think if you just type it in on Google, you pretty much see, like, it'll pop up like what other online beauty hair supplies that's selling the hair. Like I told you guys, this hair I believe was $4.99. Yeah, $4.99. So with 5, I paid like maybe about a good $21. So that wasn't bad. I really like this hairstyle. I just feel like it kind of just keeps my hand out of my hair. So it really didn't take that long at all. Like I want to say a good 2 hours, really. Probably, yeah, a good 2 hours, because, you know, just crocheting it, that takes, you know, work. But other than that, it hasn't really given no problem. It does look older, that's probably why I really like it more, because I already used it the first time. I mean, don't get me wrong, the first time it was nice, but I think I like it even way more because it has a bit of a frizziness, which I like. So, and then, you know, you can see the volume in this hair, so, which I really like. So pretty much, yeah, you know, you guys should really try this hair, even if you weren't doing the half up, half down. This is my first time doing it, because I always feel like I look weird, but I actually like this look. Maybe I might just be doing this more with crochet hair rather than my own hair. But yeah, and you know, you guys see my eyes, of course. You know that moment when you do your eyes, when you do your eyebrows, when you do your eyeshine, you be like, I don't think I like it. But then when you finish, you be like, hold on, bitch. You look good. You did good on there, you know. But yeah, you guys, let me not waste your time. Hopefully you guys do like it. If you have any questions, like, of course, just hit me in the comment section. And like I stated before, this is the FREETRESS Jazz Water curl. It don't say curl, but it's just Jazz Water, because I know somebody's gonna ask again. It's the FREETRESS Jazz Water, and it was 5 packs, you guys. 5 packs I used. Everybody's entitled to how many packs. Some people don't like full hair, some people do like full hair. I would say probably go with a 6 if your hair is super thick. But if not, I think 5 packs can do you. It can get you. You can achieve this look. But yeah, you guys. For those who just been subscribing, thank you so much. And for those who've been following me, how y'all doing? And yeah, you guys, please don't forget to subscribe. Please share this look all across, you know, of America. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye, you guys.